little girl was asleep and she woke up.
Mama?
She started looking for her parents.
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Seems like no one's at home.
Idea.
She watched TV, did coloring, played with toys. And then she took another nap. But she woke up with a noise outside. Oh my goodness, that's a thief. The little girl is shocked to see the thief in the house. The little girl saw thief stealing her toys. She got scared and ran away. The thief got a little tired, saw this comfortable bed and thought of taking a nap. Meanwhile, the little girl had some ideas to face this situation. She made some traps for the thief. Thief slept a little too long and started dreaming about police catching him. But no, not yet. Now let's see if the traps work or not.
I hope he sits on the couch now.
Everything worked the way little girl planned. But the thief saw her.
Oh no!
Now what will she do? Shh! The thief is angry and about to tie her. She is scared.
Stop!
But wait, that's a police siren. The thief is scared. But how come the police got to know? Well, it was when thief was unconscious.
Hello police, there is a thief in my house. Please help me.
The little girl called them and told them to help her. That was a smart move. The thief thought there was no one, but he was wrong. The brave little girl was so happy.
Bye-bye.
She was a hero.